Are you making... Are you painting? Yeah, is it fun? Look at that. Are you gonna paint... Oh, are you gonna paint on the purple paper too? Ah, not in your mouth. Thank you. Whoops! Mommy dumped it. It's okay. Try again. Can you use 2 fingers? Is that the magnet? Leave the magnet there. Paint the paper more. Oh. Stirring it together. Can you put it on this paper? Yeah? Do you want to put some on that paper? Wow. Good job. Can you smile? Hi. Oh, no thank you. Mommy doesn't want it in her mouth.